Hi everyone, let's do one of these problems together to help you get ready for your test. Alrighty, so if I'm looking here at this first one, this would be my 0th term, my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. And then in the first term, in my 0th term, it looks like we've got 1 hexagon, then 3 hexagons, then 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 8, 9. Okay, sweet. So first off, is this arithmetic or geometric? Well, to get from 1 to 3 and then from 3 to 5, am I adding? Would I be subtracting? Am I multiplying? Could I be dividing? This one isn't too hard to figure out because I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, 1 to 3, well, that could be 1 times 3. But then if I take the next one, if I do 3 times 3, does it equal 5? No. Okay, so it must not be timesing by 3. What's another way that I can get from 1 to 3? Oh, well, I guess I could do 1 plus, sorry, let me try again. 1 plus 2 would get me to 3. And then if I start with 3 and then add 2, would I get 5? Let's see, so I could do 3 plus 2, and that would in fact give me 5. If I do 5 plus 2, that would give me 7. If I did 7 plus 2, that would give me 9. So, since I'm adding, I know that this one is arithmetic, because I am adding 2. Okay, here's where a lot of people started struggling with this one, is with our formulas. So, if I were to write out my generic recursive formula, remember it would be f of x equals f of x minus 1 plus whatever my common difference is. And then don't forget, I also need f of 0, which equals my first term. So remember though, because a lot of you guys got here, because remember you were able to have a note card. So a lot of you guys got to this point, but then the reason it was marked wrong was because you didn't fill in, okay, well, what is the common difference and what is the first term? So let's go through and do that really quick. What I'm going to choose to do is I'm actually just going to erase what I have written here and fill it in with the number that I need. So I'm going to erase that and erase that. Okay, if I ask myself, what is the common difference? Oh, well, we already answered that right there. It's plus 2. I also could know that because I'm seeing, okay, if I want to get from 1 to 3, I add 2. From 3 to 5, I add 2. From 5 to 7, I add 2. From 7 to 9, I'll add 2. So I know that my common difference is going to be plus 2. Okay, so far so good. Now I also need to know, okay, what's my first term? What is my 0th term? How many hexagons are there at the beginning, at the very beginning? And it looks like I've got one little hexagon here. So seems like the answer is going to be 1. Now this is a perfect, beautiful, excellent recursive formula. We are done with that one. Next up, we got our explicit formula. Now if I were to write out the generic version, I would say, okay, well, I've got f of x equals whatever my common difference is times x plus my first term. Okay, again, I think I'll probably just erase what I have written right here, because I already know what the common difference is, and I already know what the first term is. So this is going to be easy to just fill in. So I'm going to erase what I've got right there. I'm going to erase what I've got right there. Okay, and again, in this first spot, I need the common difference. Common difference I know is plus 2, because that's the number I'm growing by. So I'm going to put a positive 2 there. My first term, it looks like, is 1. I can see that by looking here at my picture. How many hexagons do I have at the very beginning? That would be 1. All right, perfect. So this is an excellent, beautiful, perfect, explicit equation. Again, a lot of you guys got to the step right before this one where you had the C and then the first term here. Some people assume that the first term is always going to be 1. That is not accurate. Remember, you're looking at, okay, well, how many things are there in my first picture? How many do I start with? How many things are there at the very beginning? Good luck. Let me know if that didn't help. That's fine. Let me know, and we can get this figured out. Anyway, good luck.